Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there already. Now that summer is here and we're going to start gardening again, so the gardening season is here. So I'm going to show you today what kind of seeds are the best for having the quickest result and the best result, and in this way you will get about 99% of your seeds will grow into plants. So for tomatoes, fresh tomato seeds from fresh tomato is best. नमस्ते मेरे YouTube फैमिली, आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ कि किस तरह के सीड आप डालें टमेटो को उगाने के लिए ताकि आपके बहुत सक्सेस हो। 99% सीड्स जो है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादातर सीड जो है वो प्लांट बने। तो टमेटो के लिए सीड के लिए पैकेट वाला सीड अच्छा नहीं होता, फ्रेश सीड अच्छा होता है। एज़ यू नो, इफ़ यू बाय द पैकेज सीड, the package you might get 50% of the result, 50% of the seeds might come out, or maybe less depending on how many years old that is. But in this way you will get the 100% of your success. So इसके लिए टमाटर को ऐसे आप काटें, और as you cut the tomato you get the fresh seed out, and when you will plant it, you will plant it with this gel like substance. Do not wash the seeds and take out, just plant it with this gel like substance. So if you take out today, plant it today, fresh. And if you do have to keep it, you keep it in the Ziploc bag in the fridge, not in the freezer, just the fridge section, and keep it there and put it tomorrow. सो जैसे आज अगर आप इसके टमाटो के सीड निकाल रहे हैं तो आज ही आप बगीचा में इसको डाल दीजिए. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू आफ्टर दिस हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू पुट इट इन योर गार्डन. सो फर्स्ट you get out all the seeds, and when you put it in the seedling containers, put many in one place. So like you put this many, 5-6 in one little containers. So from one tomato you will get plenty of seeds. So एक टमेटो से आपको बहुत सीड मिल जाएगा, और छोटे छोटे पुराने योगर्ट के कंटेनर में या फिर छोटे से ड्रिंक के कप में, जहाँ आप ये सीड देके पहले गार्डन में नहीं डालना है ये सीड को. Don't throw these seeds on the garden first. You have to first put it in the drink cups or little pots where you're going to grow your little plants. First you grow there, then once this is 3-4 inches long, then you transplant in the garden. So when you put it in a pot to grow, you use this jelly substance and put like this much in one container, so it has like 6-7 of this, and they will all come out. And this way I grow a lot of tomatoes, and when I plant it, I plant all these 6-7 in one space together, bunched up, and they become huge and they give me tons of tomatoes. This way each year I grow about 50 pounds of tomatoes, and they come out really good. And for the fertilizer, use grass clipping and eggshell crust. सो जब आप पॉट में देंगे, ऐसे करके 5-6-7 एक साथ पॉट में दीजिए, और पॉट में इसको 3-4 इंच तक ग्रो करने दीजिए. वो ग्रो हो जाने के बाद उसको ट्रांसप्लांट कीजिए अपने गार्डन में, और एक साथ 5-6 प्लांट दे दीजिए. 1-2 प्लांट देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर 5-6 करके प्लांट आए तो वो सब साथ में दे दीजिए, और घास के कटे हुए घास उसमें दीजिए, और अंडे के जो स्किन होते हैं, जो अंडे के जो आउटर शेल होते हैं, उस सेल को अच्छी तरह से धो के फिर उसको क्रश करके गार्डन में छिड़क दीजिए. मेक श्योर कि आप सेल को अच्छी तरह से धोते हैं. ऐसे ही अंडे को फोड़ के उसके सेल को गार्डन में नहीं दीजिए, तो उससे पौधे को कीड़े लग जाएंगे. सेल को अच्छी तरह से धो के. सो यू कैन यूज़ एग सेल क्रस्ट, but be sure to wash your egg cell thoroughly before you use it in the garden. If you don't wash it properly, your plants will get bugs and they will die. So अब जैसे कि देख रहे हैं कि मैंने सारे और ये छोटे छोटे पॉट्स जो है इसमें टमाटो की सीड्स डाल दिए हैं। किसी में 4-5 है, किसी में 6 है, जैसे भी गिर गया है। और अब इसके ऊपर सॉइल दे दूँगी। तो थोड़ा सा सॉइल देके इसमें सीड दे दिया है मैंने। अब इसके ऊपर मैं और सॉइल डाल दूँगी और पानी दे दूँगी। So as you can see, I have put like 5-6 seeds on each of them, and I put some little bit soil, and these are the starter pots for starting the tomato plant. So now I'm going to put some more soil on it and cover with more soil, and then I'll give you the updates of how this thing coming up. So I'm just going to cover it with some soil and put some water in it. सो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये वाले जो है इसको बोलते हैं स्टारर पॉट्स, और इसमें ही पौधा शुरू किया जाता है। तो इसमें थोड़ा सा, जैसे इसमें मैंने सॉयल दी है, ऐसे इसमें सॉयल देके फिर उसके बाद उसमें सीड डाले जाते हैं। उसके बाद और भी सॉयल देने होते हैं। So as you can see, these are the starter pots. So in this one you have to put your soil, and then after that you put the seeds and put more soil. So ऐसे करके इसको बनाना है। तो इसमें टमाटो के मैंने सारे डाल दिए हैं। I have finished putting all the tomatoes. Now I'm going to put the bell peppers. I'll show you the bell peppers. So टमाटो के सारे डाल दिए हैं बीज मैंने। अब इसमें पानी दे दूँगी और इसको अभी होने के लिए छोड़ देंगे। 2 weeks वगैरह लगेगा इसमें होने के लिए।
I have planted all these tomato plants, replanted them in the garden, and they seem to be doing okay. So I have quite a few of them. And I have plenty more baby plants I have to plant. So for the soil, I use just the organic compost which I create in my own garden with grass clippings and dry eggshell grass, coffee ground, and fruits and vegetable peels. So as you see, I already gave them a support with the cage, and they seem to be doing fine. They're not huge in size at the moment, but so far I have put about 10 plants, and I have plenty more baby plants to put in my garden, and I will eventually do them as they grow to be 3 inches tall. So little close up, beautiful tomato plants, all happy in my garden, and we're having a beautiful weather today. Some big tomato plants, they're really good. And here's some tomatoes hanging. These tomato plants are really growing. Oh, there's a bit of tomatoes are getting really bushy and big. Huge tomato plants now. And they have a lot of flowers in it. We had some rain, so the plants are really growing like crazy. So as you see, all the tomato plants really doing good. Oh, there's some tomatoes coming up. You can see some tomatoes. And over there some tomatoes coming up. What I got, I weighted them, and these are like 40 pounds. So, and they each of the sizes are like each of them, almost 2 of them together, like half a pound. So far I have gotten 40 pounds, and I have about 10 more pounds at least left on the tree. So you see, I have picked up a lot of the green ones because what's happening is they're cracking like this once they get a little big. Also, they've been eaten by rats and squirrels and rabbits, and also cats in the neighborhood knocking them off. So I just decided to pick up the green one and let it sit in a sunny window and then turn red. So I had these sit in the sunny window and they're turning red. So they turn red in 2 days. Only problem is some of these are the one cracking, so I picked them up in green, so that saves the cracking, and also that saves from these getting knocked by these rabbits and squirrels and whatever, and then also many people picking them and taking them away. So as I like to share with you is this one has about 20 pounds, and then I have another one, the basket, about 20 pounds. So this one about 20 pounds. So far I have 40 pounds, and I have about 10 at least pound visibly I can see in the plants. So this year, so far, the season hasn't finished yet, and I have many other plants to still in the process of giving me. So far I have gotten about 50 pounds of these tomatoes, and then there are lots of eggplants came and beans, and as well as I had pumpkins. So I will show you the biggest pumpkin I got. So this was the biggest pumpkin, but I didn't wait for this one to turn orange. I picked up in green, and I had one which turned orange, and two of the other greens was eaten by something. I don't know exactly what it is. It was rabbit or squirrel or any other thing, and two of them were stolen. So looking at that, I just picked up this one, and this is pretty big. I think I weighted this one is about 10 pounds. So, and the other one was 5 pounds, which I already cut it and I split it with my neighbor. So that was good. And along with that, got a lot of eggplant, lot of green bell pepper, beans, and jalapeno pepper, and bitter melon still coming. And then I got other kinds of beans, which is Chinese green beans. They're still coming. It's like Chinese green peas. So they started flowering, so I'll be keep updating about those. So thank you so much for watching, and please do share the video and subscribe, and go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there. I will be doing many more garden series. Along with that, I'm going to start making some purses. I have many ideas now to go with many new purses. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.